For today, we have a video on how to create a minimalist style layout. For this map, we will leave aside the 5 map elements and only present the essentials. Sometimes, when writing documents, it may make sense to present objective and easy to read maps. So in this video, we will learn how to create a representative map of Lisbon with 3 different data frames and scales. Welcome to a brand new tutorial. So as I said previously, we are going to create a really simple way of creating a layout in Arcgis Pro. We are not going to use the 5 most common elements of a map, so the title, legend, orientation, scale, and data. We are not going to use that. Just a simple way to represent a map and a visually appealing way of representation. So if we go here on our desktop, I have a folder called YouTube tutorial, and inside of it we have 3 folders. So map 1 with some data, map 2 and map 3. Let's start by adding the data for the map 1. So let's go to add data. Let's try to find our folder. So we're on desktop, YouTube tutorial, map 1, and with the shift key pressed, let's select all of the shapefiles. Let's head them by clicking on OK. And here we have the 4 shapefiles we are going to use. So the first one here, Portugal contour. So we are just going to select the no color for the color, outline color, give it the color black, and increase the size to 1 point, and click apply. For the Portugal regions, we are going to give the color white for the background, and the outline color stays the same. Let's apply. Next, for the Lisbon municipality, we are going to move it to here. And for the Lisbon municipality, we are going to use the color. Let's select this code and let's type 9CD299 and click OK. And this is the color I'm going to use. For the Grand Lisbon region, let's put it right here. I'm just going to select this 80% gray. Okay. That's a little too dark. Let's try this one. And I think it's good. Now let's move to the map number 2. So to do that, you click here on Insert and click New Map. Then let's double click right here and give the name Map 2. Let's remove the base maps. We are not going to use it. And let's add data to this map as well. So go to the folder, then Map 2, and select all of the data from the Map 2 folder. Add them to the map, and here we have this region, but with some municipalities, and here we have the Lisbon municipality. For the Lisbon municipality, we are going to use the same color as before, so 9CD299, click OK and hit apply. Okay, it didn't recognize it, so 9CD299. Okay, it's giving us a bug. Let's try to move it along right here. 9CD299, let's try, and there it is. Let's apply. For the Great Lisbon municipalities, I will add the same as the previous map, so this gray 10%, let's apply. And for the Grand Lisboa contour, actually we don't need to use it, so I'm going to remove it. And that's map number 2. Let's add another map for the map number 3. And let's do the same process. Let's remove the the base map, change the name to map 3, and then go to map, and let's add the data for the map 3. So right here, so Lisbon contour and Lisbon parishes. Here for the Lisbon parishes, we are going to change the color for the Lisbon contour for the same color as before, so 9CD299, hit OK, then apply, and for the Lisbon parishes I'm going to change it to no color. For the outline color it stays the same, and the outline width I'm going to change it to 0.1 points and hit apply, and there you have. The next thing we are going to need to do, let's type yes right here. For the Lisbon municipalities, I'm going to add the labels so we know all the municipalities that we have right here. So to do that, I'm going to Grand Lisbon municipalities. I'm going to select label, and there you have the labels. But then I don't want the numbers, the codes. I want the names of each municipality. So I just click here on this one and hit apply, and there we have. Then I'm going to change the symbology for this one. So I'm going to use this font, Berlin Sans FB. The size, it's going to be 8, not 89, but 8. And the color, gray, 80%. Let's hit apply, and there we have. Then here for the map number 3, I'm going to do the same thing, but for the Lisbon parishes. So add label, go to labeling properties, let's close this, Lisbon labeling properties, and then let's hit here freguesia, so it's the same as parishes. And there we have. Let's change the symbology as well for the same as the municipalities. Here I'm going to choose gray 80% as well, and for the size I'm going to try 6. Let's hit apply. So we have all the 3 maps ready to create a layout. So to do that, you go to Insert, New Layout, and I'm going to choose A4 Landscape. Okay, we have our layout opened. Now go to Insert. Here you click here, Map 1. Let's click to insert it. And now I'm going to adjust the map to our page. Let's go to Layout, click here to activate, and then you can move the map along our page. I'm going to put it right here. I will close the activation, and now I'm going to adjust the map a little bit to the left, like this. Now I'm going to select the map, go to Properties, then here to Display, and for the border, no color, to remove the borders. It's perfect. Let's add a new map, so go to Layout, not Layout, but Insert, and Map 2. Let's click to edit. Okay. I add 2. Let's remove 1. Okay. Let's adjust to the map like this. Now click here on Activate, and let's adjust the map. I'm clicking on the letter Z to adjust the map. Maybe something like this. Okay. Let's close the activation, and now I'm going to adjust it a little bit to the left as well. Let's select the map, go to Properties, Display, and hit No Color. To finish, let's add the final map, so map number 3. Let's adjust to the page. Okay, we'll try to put it right here. Layout, activate. Let's try to move a little bit with the zoom, like this. Close activation. The same process for the border, so no outline. And the map is almost finished. The next thing we are going to do is to give some labels to the map. To do that, go here on Insert, and here you can click on the circle. And let's add a circle right here. Maybe this size. Go to Properties, Symbol, Outline Color. I will use the same color as the map, so 9 CD299. It's not changing. Let's try another one. Oh, I missed it. 9 CD299. Okay, and for the color, let's change it to white. And there we have. Let's put it right here. Then Ctrl C, Ctrl V to duplicate. And let's put it right here. Again, and put another one here. Or actually, I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to duplicate this one right here. I'm going to move it to here. Duplicate another one. Place it here. Another one. And I'm going to place it maybe here. Another one right here. And I'm going to move this here. Okay. All the circles are ready. What I'm going to do now is to use the line to connect some of the circles. So this one to this one. This one to this one, and connect those two as well. Let's select all of them, move it behind the circles, right click, properties, and I'm going to change the color of the line to that green. Apply, and there we have. As you can see, we cannot see the color of this line because the background color is the same. So I'm going to create another line, put it right here, and change the symbology to white. And it looks way better. Then we are going to create some labels to our map. So click here on text, and let's call it Grande Lisboa for this region. Right click, properties, text symbol, and I'm going to change it to the Berlin Sands FB, color, 80% gray, and let's hit apply. For the size, I'm going to change it to 12, for example. And here on callout, change it to background, top and bottom margin to 0, and left and right, I'm going to change from 5 to 10 and hit apply. And now, it didn't work. Why? Okay, because I didn't change the background color. So let's change it to white. And as you can see, we have margins here and here, but not on top and bottom. Let's adjust to the line like this. Let's duplicate this text. Changed the text to Lisbon. Adjust to those circles. Okay. And then to finish, I'm going to call it Portugal regions right here. And place it here. To finish, I'm just going to create something like this. Change the color to green. So right click, properties, symbol, 9 CD 299. Okay, apply, and let's adjust these lines like this. And our map is fully finished. Now, let's go to share, click here. I will look for our folder, so YouTube tutorial, Lisbon map. Okay, and let's click on export. Actually, I'm going to do this again and clip to graphics extent to remove this part right here. So let's export again. I want to override it. Click yes. And let's check the final result. So right here, Lisbon map. And there we have our final map. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you want to learn next.